guys, Jake Martin with Dealer eProcess here. I'm going to be talking for a few minutes about Google Cars for Sale, a recent update that Google's pushed through allowing you to send your live inventory feed directly onto your Google My Business page. I have an example dealership here, Toyota of Hattiesburg, who has given us the okay to use them for this video demo. So what you're going to see here is this is typically the GMB page that you would find when you do an organic search on Google. This is the mobile view. I'm actually using a special Safari setting that allows me to display the mobile view on my desktop. Google should be pushing through an update in the next few weeks that will also allow Google Cars for Sale to show up on desktop as well, but currently it's only available on mobile. So when I click over here to the Cars tab, what you're going to see here in a sec is this is an actual live inventory feed directly in your Google My Business page. So these are a few of the dealership's vehicles. Not much information here forcing the consumer to click. So when I click, I'm actually going to see the dealership's photos as well as some basic information here that you would typically find on a VDP. Now what's really cool here at the very top is we also have a phone number as well as this thing called a dealer listing. So if I click dealer listing, this is actually the live VDP that it's taking me to of that car on my dealership's website. So this is essentially no cost per click traffic coming directly off your Google My Business page that you're capitalizing on when someone does any sort of organic search that's going to pop up in GMB. Pretty cool here. What Dealer eProcess is also doing in conjunction with that to give extra tracking would be our UTM parameters we're placing that will allow us to actually tell you what leads you're getting from this campaign. So this is just a snapshot of one of our dealers. As you can see here, they've already gotten 11 leads in starting this, and this hasn't been up very long, so pretty cool. Cost is super cheap at $100 per month to set this up. We don't need to do your website to set up the feed. Dealer eProcess customers are obviously going to have the special leads back into the dashboard, so that's everything right there. All right.